So coming into pre-market, our levels are still intact. That data that came out at 8:30, it wasn't bad nor good, so it didn't really move the market. So here in pre-market, the market's just trading sideways, but it's still holding our level. So that's telling me, oh, maybe the market want to either it's gonna I mark pre-market high because either it's gonna use this pre-market high level as a resistance and then continue the trend continuation down to the downside like this off pre-market high, or it's just going to use this range, bounce up in this, oh man, bounce up in this area and consolidate all day. Who knows? But I mean, you can take a trade off either off and make money off scalps off these levels and stuff. But what I want to see is I want to see, comes down, use this as support, and then try to push back up to go find sellers, either back up to pre-market high or up to this 590, 589, 590 level, which was that 2-day range before it was broken yesterday. See if it can go back up and retest that for a short. That if I wanted to go short, that's more than likely where I would like to short up in this area. Me personally. Or, if you get the breakdown of this level and then come back and retest and then, continuation, I would short that. But ultimately, I would like to get this test down here, see if this can hold as support, this 585, 584 level. And I'll probably look to take the trade back up to 587 for a push on calls. Just for that dead cat bounce or that bounce in the market that happens. We all know the market goes down, comes up, goes down, comes up, goes down, comes up. So I would like to play that bounce before it finds sellers, that first leg bounce, but off of support. That's what I'm hoping to see. That's what I'm hoping to play. If this can hold, play the bounce back up to at least pre-market high to get a nice win. Take some off at pre-market high. Leave some runners to try to get that 590 test, 589, 590 test. Or break down to the level. Now we know the market want to continue lower, so possibly hop in and try to look to short the market down to 582. That'll be a trade that we can look forward to if that comes into play. But you see this pre-market high is holding as resistance right now. So that'll be a level to watch. That'll be a level to get short at. We could probably make it a zone from we'll give it a nice little range. See if that can hold as resistance before we make our decision. Because we know like the market like to bust up over those resistance levels to stop people out and then make us move eventually. So, we just got to be patient, let the market set up. It's better for you to let the market make its decision before you make yours. Like, the data don't lie. Like, yeah, you can get tricked in trades though, but if you don't see your trade clearly, then you shouldn't be taking a trade. That's just what it comes down to ultimately. Just be patient, wait for your trades to set up. And my trade is, like I said, I would like for it to push. One trade I'm looking for to bounce off this support, let it come down, let buyers present themselves, hop in, look for a bounce play, two possibly pre-market high to take profit. You can leave runners on to try to get the full move up to this resistance zone at 589.90, 590. Or which break down for a trend continuation trade if that comes into play. Or before market open is if this already take this level and it can hold on top, then look for the bounce to 590 off of pre-market high. It's kind of if this then that, just like I said last night. So you just got to come in. That's 3 trades that you can possibly take off these levels if you got the patience to wait to which one come into play. So for me, it's whichever comes into play first will be the one that I'm looking for, obviously. So those are the 3 trades that I'll be looking for this morning going into market open at 9:30.